ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today I'm gonna play some Skywars. And I got a new skin. So, if you guys don't know, the server is Hypixel from Minecraft Pocket Edition. And yeah, I'm ready to play some Skywars. So this is my first video what I'm gonna make. And let's start. Let's go. Iron sword and a bow, nice. Things are coming. Oh yeah, I know. Oh shit, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Yep. Oh, let's just try it again. That was a quick game. "13 seconds, okay, let's do this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we're starting in 1 and 0. Okay, let's go, let's go. Yes. Need to do this so quick. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. I really don't need to snowballs, but I'll do this. Come on, come on, come on, quick. Put them on. There's less chest here. Yeah, I knew it. I freaking knew it. Come on, come on, come on. Quick, yeah. Okay, full armor. Let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Quick, quick, quick. Before they come to me. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I didn't see that chest. Oh, wait, did I use it already? Yeah, I did. I think I'm not gonna make it tell. Do I? Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Next, next, next. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. Nope, I didn't. Oh, that was dumb. So guys, that was the first episode of me. That was just a short. Next time, I'm gonna play survival games more and more time. Okay, see you guys next time. But that was a short episode. So, goodbye.